Hello students, today we will learn preparation of receipt and payment account by solving question number 1 to 6 of T.S. Grewal edition 2021. Starting with our first question, let us read the question first. From the following particular relating to Shyamji Charitable Society, prepare receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2019. हमें रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट बनाना है. रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट का जो नेचर ऑफ अकाउंट है दैट इज रियल अकाउंट, और रियल अकाउंट का रूल होता है डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन एंड क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. सो जो डेबिट साइड है दैट इज रिसीट साइड, व्हाट कम्स इन कैश इज कमिंग इन एंड क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट पेमेंट साइड एज कैश इज गोइंग आउट. नाउ स्टार्टिंग विद आवर क्वेश्चन, we are given opening balance of cash in hand as well as cash at bank. Cash in hand is 16,000 and cash at bank is 28,000. Subscription is given 60,000 which includes previous year balance as well. उससे हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Subscription account records transaction in cash, whether it relates to current year, previous year or future year. So we will record directly what we have received this year, that is 60,000 as subscription. Then donation for building, although ये capital nature item है donation for building, but as cash is being received, that is why it is recorded on the receipt side of receipt and payment account, rupees 2,90,000. Miscellaneous expenses, expenses की payment होगी और कितना अमाउंट पे कर रहे हैं 98,000. लॉकर रेंट अगेन अमाउंट रिसीव हो रहा है 32,000 रुपीज. एंट्रेंस फीस अगेन अमाउंट रिसीव हो रहा है अमाउंटिंग टू रुपीज 41,000. सो आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग पेमेंट फ्रॉम रिसीट, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैश एंड बैंक इज 3,69,000. टोटल ऑफ रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट इज 4,67,000. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है. यू कैन सी व्हाट कम्स इन. कैश का आना इज रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द डेबिट साइड. पेमेंट कैश का जाना इज रिकॉर्डेड ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. आना जाना, तो पहले पैसे का आना अच्छा लगता है, दैट इज वाई पहले रिसीट आएगा देन पेमेंट आएगा. एज पर रूल ऑल्सो debit what comes in, that is receipt. Credit what goes out, that is payment. I hope this question is clear. You can see in this question we are recording opening as well as closing balance of cash as discussed earlier. Receipt and payment account is summary of cash book only. So we are having opening and closing balance of cash as we have discussed in our last video, that there is one column only for cash and bank balances. So we are recording both in cash and bank balances. We are recording transaction irrespective of time, whether it relate to previous year, current year or future year. We are also recording both capital nature item as well as revenue. Donation is a capital nature item, donation for building. Still we are recording because we are receiving money in cash. I hope question number 1 is clear. Moving to our next question, question number 2. In the books of Bengal Cricket Club, receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2021. Very easy question because already we are given classification of receipts and payments. Receipts में हमारे पास entrance fees is given 10,000. Subscription is given 60,000. Donations is given 10,000. And on payment side, we are having rent 15,000. Postages 1,000. Newspaper and magazine 8,000. Investments, again we are purchasing investment, that is why we are making payment amounting to rupees 30,000. Stationery balance rupees 4,000. Entertainment expense, again we are making payment for expense, that is why recorded on the payment side rupees 3,000. Miscellaneous expenses paid 2,000. After subtracting these receipts from payments, we are getting closing balance of cash in bank, which amounts to rupees 17,000, and the total of our receipt and payment account is 70,000. I hope this question is clear. It was a very easy question. Moving to our next question, question number 3. From the following information given below, prepare receipt and payment account of Railway Club for the year ended 31st March 2021. हमारे पास opening cash का balance given है 4390. Subscription, which is an income which is being received, amounted to rupees 37,600. Donation again received rupees 8,000. Entrance fees भी receive होगी amounting to rupees 4,300. Rent received for club halls is 5,250. Then electricity charges are payment, that is why it will be recorded on the credit side, that is payment side. Then taxes paid, again payment, it will be recorded in the payment side. Salary, again it's an expense which is being paid 21,500. Honorarium to secretary 2,500. Now interest received on investment is again a receipt which will be recorded on the receipt side of receipt and payment account. Printing and stationery expenses will be recorded on the payment side amounting to rupees 350. Petty cash expenses, again payments recorded as rupees 900 on the payment side. Insurance premium paid is 310. Now again, when we will subtract our receipts from our payments, we will get closing balance of cash or bank amounting to rupees 33,000, and the total of our receipt and payment account is 62,490, 62,490. Coming to our next question, in the books of Delhi Club, we have to prepare receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2021. First of all, we are given donation for building and library amounting to rupees 2 lakh, which is a receipt. Entrance fees, again receipt for rupees 17,000. Subscription, again it will be receipt for rupees 19,000. Locker rent, obviously club है, lockers rent पर दे रहा है, amount receive होगा amounting to rupees 1,660. Refreshment receipts, by name it is very clear, it is receipt 16,000. Government ने भी grant दिया है, again it is a receipt 25,000. Now payment, purchase of land for rupees 10,000. Again, when we will buy furniture, we will make payment for rupees 1,30,000. Salaries and expense payment hoga 4,800. Maintenance of playground, again it's a payment of rupees 1,000. Rent pay किया है 8,000. Refreshment के लिए payment किया है 8,000. लाइब्रेरी के लिए बुक्स खरीदी हैं उसके लिए पे किया 25,000 रुपीज. इन्वेस्टमेंट की है गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स में, उसके लिए पे किया 1,60,000. टर्म डिपॉजिट बैंक के खरीदे हैं उसके लिए पे किया 15,000. Now it is a question where payments are more than receipts. जब payment receipts से ज्यादा होंगी, so what will happen? There will be bank overdraft, because bank provide overdraft facilities wherein even if there is zero balance, certain amount can be withdrawn. So in this case, there is a closing bank overdraft balance amounting to rupees 83,140. Total of receipt and payment account is 3,61,800. I hope this question is clear. Moving to our next question. In the books of North Sports Club, we have to prepare receipt and payment account. Ending year is 31st March 2021. First, we are given opening balance of cash and bank 50,000 and 60,000. अब देखो बेटा, यहाँ सब्सक्रिप्शन का बैलेंस प्रीवियस ईयर का भी गिवन है, करेंट ईयर का भी गिवन है, फ्यूचर ईयर का भी गिवन है. Our current year is 2021. Our current year is 2021. 2020 is previous year. लास्ट ईयर का ओपनिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग, यानी पिछले साल का कुछ अमाउंट आउटस्टैंडिंग होगा जो इस साल रिसीव हुआ है, एंड इट्स क्लोजिंग एडवांस. अगर आपको 2021 में एडवांस मिल रहा है, दैट एडवांस रिलेट्स टू फ्यूचर ईयर. As I told you earlier in my video that receipt and payment account records all amount received in cash or all amount paid in cash irrespective of time period. That is why we are recording all the amounts, previous year, current year, as well as future year. Now furniture is being purchased, that is why it will be recorded on the payment side, amounting to rupees 70,000. General donation given hai. Again, it is an income for rupees 20,000. Donation for tournament. Although tournament के लिए जो amount receive हुआ है वो specific income है, but receipt and payment account में हम capital और revenue nature दोनों items को record करते. That is why if amount is being received, it will be recorded on the receipt side of receipt and payment account. And the amount is 40,000. Donation for pavilion is again 50,000. Match expenses are given 30,000. Salary to coaches are given 63,600. Honorarium is given 4,000. Investment खरीदिए, again payment करेंगे 60,000. Entrance fees is an income, that's why received, amounting to rupees 4,000. Interest investment पर again receive होगा, amounting to rupees 6,000. स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट खरीदा है 50,000 का, परचेज किया है, पेमेंट किया है. वन मोर एक्सपेंस इज गिवन, चैरिटी गिवन, चैरिटी दी है 10,000 की, पेमेंट की है. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस हमें कैश का गिवन है 24,000. जब हम इन रिसीट्स के टोटल में से पेमेंट्स का टोटल सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, we will get closing balance of 70,400 and the total of our receipt and payment account is 3,82,000. I hope this question is clear. Moving to our next question. Following is a summary of cash transaction of Good Health Club for the year ending 31st March 2018. We are given opening cash and bank balance amounting to rupees 70,000 and 3 lakh. सब्सक्रिप्शन का अमाउंट प्रीवियस ईयर, करेंट ईयर और फ्यूचर ईयर सब गिवन है. 40,000, 3,60,000, 75,000 and 20,000 respectively. Now donation receipt for gym is 1,64,000. Admission fees again received amounting to rupees 14,000. Life membership fees के लिए अमाउंट मिला है 45,000. Wages and salaries are expenses, so they will be recorded on the payment side 55,000. Locker rent is an income, so it will be recorded on the receipt side 11,000 rupees. Investment has been made in debentures of XYZ Limited amounting to rupees 2,40,000. Health journal के ऊपर spend किए हैं 5,000 rupees. स्टेशनरी पर स्पेंड किया 12,500. इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम पे किया 6,760 का. कोरियर चार्जेस अमाउंटिंग टू रुपीज 800. म्यूनिसिपल टैक्सेस आर 9,570. मशीन खरीदी है, अगेन इट इज अ पेमेंट अमाउंटिंग टू रुपीज 38,000. सेल ऑफ ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर, it's amount received, so it will be recorded on the receipt side, that is rupees 300. Interest on bank balance will be received, so it will again be recorded on the receipt side. Cash in hand closing balance is given 43,000. From the total of receipt, if we will subtract total of payment, we will get our closing balance of bank amounting to rupees 6,30,410. Total of receipt and payment account is 10,41,040. I hope all the 6 questions are clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.